How to change your TikTok region 2023. Hi guys, in this video I will teach you how to change your TikTok region 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, let's head over to our TikTok first. And then as you can see, I am on my profile page. So if you click on these three lines up here, so let's try to click on that. Then click on settings and privacy right around here. And as you can see, there's no option in order to change your region. So there's no option in the account. There's still no option on this privacy or anything like that. You can only see the location services, but this will not allow you to change your region. So what you need to do is to just head over to your Google Play Store or to your App Store. And then once you're in there, just click on search right here and search for VPN. So in here you can see a lot of VPN that you can use in order to change your region to TikTok. So just choose any one of them. For me, I chose this Turbo VPN. Then download it and install it. And after that, just open this VPN app right here. And then as you can see, since it's VPN, it will actually give you some ads. So just close it up and then open it up again if you don't want to watch an ad. So here's the Turbo VPN. So just click on tap to connect right here and it will ask you to find the best fastest server. And as you can see, I'm already connected as there's already a VPN icon on my home screen. After that, just head over to TikTok, head over to your home and then refresh your home like this. So and then after that, all the content in here shall be appropriate to your region. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to change your TikTok region 2023. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.